In front of me is POCO M8, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use Keyboard Clipboard. Begin by launching your keyboard and tapping on Clipboard at the top of it. Then use this switcher at the top right corner to activate it, and when you finished, go back by tapping on this arrow at the top left one. Now it's time to use Clipboard. In order to do that, copy or cut any text, and to paste it instantly, click on it at the top of your keyboard. To paste it later on, click on Clipboard and tap on your text over here. Quick tip: if you want to paste it after an hour, you need to pin it or it will disappear. To do that, hold your text, wait for this pop-up to show, and when it does, select pin. You can unpin it the same way. You can do the same by clicking on this pen at the top right corner, selecting your text and tapping on pin icon over here. If you want to delete anything from Clipboard, swipe it to the right, swipe it to the left, or hold it to click delete in the pop-up. Last but not least, to disable it, use the same switcher as before. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!